Today's video from Casio Help, we're taking a quick look at alarm setting on the F-91W. Just a quick reminder of the buttons before we start. L, C, A. Press C once to go to the alarm screen, and then press L to change the hour. When the hour's flashing, you can press and hold down A to scroll through hours quickly, or press it one at a time to move on. One press equals 1 hour move on. L again saves and moves you on to the minutes, and again you can either press and hold down A to move quickly, or one press equals 1 minute. L saves, and then from the alarm screen you also just need to double check you've got your alarm set to on. So the audio wave sign means alarm is on. If you press A, it moves it to an hourly alarm. So if you've got the bell icon showing, that means the alarm will go off once every hour. If you've got them both showing, then that means alarm is on that you've just set, so the 6:10 alarm and also the hourly alarm. But if you just want the alarm on, it's audio wave, and then C to return to the main screen. For more information on using the F-91W, please subscribe to this YouTube channel or check out the video links appearing on screen now. Thanks for watching.